Hi everyone, I'm Tanya Roberts, Sales Manager at Interstate Signways, one of the leading manufacturers of highway signage in the United States. Welcome back to our How We Make It series, where we give you a behind-the-scenes look at how we fabricate your signs. Today we observe a process that every piece of aluminum in our facility has gone through. Here's a look at Interstate's in-house chemical etching and corrosion treatment tanks. All of our aluminum used in the manufacturing of highway guide signs, regulatory or warning signs, goes through a chemical etching and corrosion treatment process. In Interstate Signways' 169,000 square foot facility, we house our own treatment tanks. Each piece of flat sheet, increment, and extruded panel aluminum goes through the following steps. First, the aluminum is loaded onto a rack lift system that enables it to be maneuvered from tank to tank. The aluminum is then lifted and dipped into a 120 to 140 degree alkaline bath where it will soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, it is dipped into 2 rinse tanks to clean off the alkaline solution. Then the aluminum goes into a 4th tank that holds a deoxidizing agent for 3 minutes. After being deoxidized, the aluminum enters another rinse tank. Next, the aluminum enters a tank filled with chromic acid solution. This will help prevent it from oxidizing in the future. Last, the aluminum is rinsed in one last tank and starts the drying process before assembly. Our treatment tanks are vital in ensuring proper sheeting adhesion. If you have any questions about our aluminum treatment process, or if you need help ordering MUT CDs online, please reach out. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of How We Make It, and as always, thank you for being the most valuable part of Interstate.